Good morning, students. Today the date is April 25 and the day is Saturday. I hope you all are fine at home. Today we will continue with chapter number 2, exercise 2.4. In this exercise we will given the word problems from which we will make the equations and get the required answers of the given questions. Question number 1 is, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Students, firstly we will assume the number which is to be found, and then according to the given statements we will do the simplifications. Now firstly we will let the number is equal to x. Now the first condition is Amina thinks of a number. We take that number as x and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Now according to question we will subtract 5 by 2 from the number x minus 5 by 2. Next is she multiplies the result by 8. Now x minus 5 by 2 is the result and she multiplies this result by 8. The result now obtained means the value of this term is now equals to 3 times the same number she thought. The number she thought was x. So the result is now 3 times the number she thought. Now again see the equation carefully. Firstly we take the number x and subtract 5 by 2 from it, that is x minus 5 by 2. Then she multiplies the result by 8. X minus 5 by 2 is multiplied by 8. Then the result of this whole number is equal to 3 times the same number she thought. She thought the number x, so it is 3x. Now open the bracket. 8 multiplied with x minus 8 multiplied by 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Now 2 fours the 8. This 8x remains same. 5 fours the 20. 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. Now 8x minus 3x is equal to 20. So 5x is equal to 20 and x is equal to 20 upon 5, that is 4. So the value of x is equal to 4, or you can say that the number is equal to x is equal to 4, which is the required answer of the first question. Question number 2. A positive number is 5 times the another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Now the given question is a positive number is 5 times the another number. It means if I am taking one number as x, let the numbers, if one number is x, then the other number is 5 times this x. It means it will be 5x. So we take the two numbers as x and 5x. Now according to question, if 21 is added to both the numbers. Now according to question, this is 5x, this is x. We are to add 21 to the both numbers. I added 21 to both the numbers. Then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. Now these are the two numbers which we get after adding 21 to both the numbers. Now it is clear from the given numbers that this number is greater than this number. So this number is twice the second number. If we want to make them equal, then we will multiply this number by 2. Then the two numbers will be equal. Once again, the two numbers were x and 5x. The first condition is add 21 to both the numbers. We added 21 to both the numbers. Then the next condition is then one of the new number becomes twice the other number. It is very clear from the statement that 5x plus 21 is greater. It will be twice the number x plus 21. So this is the required equation. Now 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 multiplied by x is 2x. 2 multiplied by 21 is 42. Now arrange the terms, variable terms on the left side and the constant terms on the right side. 5x minus 2x is 3x. 42 minus 21 is 21. So x will be equal to 21 divided by 3, that is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7. Now the first number is x is equal to 7 and the second number is equal to 5x, that is 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. So the two numbers are 7 and 35, which is the required answer. Question number 3 is sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Now the first line says that the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Mean to say, if I am writing here 2, 7, the sum of the two digits is what it is? 9. Similarly, I can take the example 36. Again 3 plus 6 is 9. The first line says that the sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. If I am taking 3 as x, then what will be the other digit? it can be written as 9 minus x, that is 3 as it is, and 6 can be written as 9 minus 3. That is, I have taken 3 as x and 6 as 9 minus x. So, firstly we will let the numbers as, let the digits of a 2-digit number is equal to x and 9 minus x. Now how the number is formed? As I have taken the example here 36, how this 36 can be written as 3 multiplied by 10 plus 6 into 1, because 6 is on 1's place and 3 is on 10's place. In the same manner, out of these two digits, I can take one on the 10's place and the other on the 1's place. It is not necessary we will take x on the 1's place or 9 minus x. We can take any one out of these on the 1's place and other on the 10's place. So the original number is here I am taking x on the 10's place, so it will be multiplied by 10 and 9 minus x on the 1's place. So this is 9 minus x. So 10 multiplied by x is 10x plus 9 minus x. This is equal to 10x minus x is 9x plus 9. This is the original number. Now the next line is when we interchange the digits. It means if I have written here 36, if I write it as 63, it means now I will take 6 on the 10's place and 1 on the 3 on the 1's place. Now here I have taken x on the 10's place and 9 minus x on the 1's place. Now I'll interchange the digits. If we interchange the digits, then new number will be equals to, now I will write 9 minus x on the 10's place, that is 10 into 9 minus x plus x on the 1's place, x multiplied by 1. Now the number will be 10 nines the 90, 10 multiplied by x is 10x, x multiplied by 1 is x. So the number is 90 minus, this is minus 10x, this is plus x. So plus minus minus, it is minus 9x. So the new number is 90 minus 9x. Now the next condition is, it is found that the resulting new number, that is this 90 minus 9x is greater than the original number. Original number is 9x plus 9 by 27. This new number is greater than the original number by 27. Now, according to question, this is the new number and this is the original number. I will write here 9x plus 9. here 90 minus 9x. This new number is greater than the original number by 27. So I will add 27 to the original number, and now these two numbers will be equal. Now solve the equation. 9x as it is. 9 plus 27 is 36 is equal to 90 minus 9x. Now transpose the terms. Variable terms on the left side and the constant terms on the right side. 9x plus 9x, 18x. 90 minus 36 is 54. X is equal to 54 divided by 18. 18 threes the 54. So the value of x is 3. As we are to find out what is the two-digit number. The original two-digit number is 9x plus 9. So we will put the value of x in the original number. So the number is equal to 9x plus 9, that is 9 multiplied by 3 plus 9. 9 3 is the 27 plus 9, that is 27 plus 9 is equal to 36, which is the required number.